Hey, fellow young adventurers, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're continuing our journey to uncover the mysteries of the ocean, this time delving into more fascinating facts about dolphins. Firstly, let's take a closer look at what dolphins are like. They have a streamlined body, a deep blue back, and a white belly that resembles a stylish swimsuit. The friendly smile on their faces and their intelligent eyes make them truly captivating. Secondly, dolphins live in the water, and they are true ocean residents. We can find them in the open ocean, bays, and even rivers. Some dolphins love roaming in the vast seas, while others enjoy playing in the warmth of coastal bays. Where there's water, there's a chance to encounter these agile creatures. Now, you must be curious about what dolphins like to eat. Dolphins mainly consume fish and other small marine creatures. They are natural hunters. Dolphins use their remarkable intelligence and a set of specialized hunting techniques to catch their favorite meals. Dolphins emit a series of clicks, and by listening to the echoes, they create a detailed mental map of their surroundings. This ability, known as echolocation, helps them locate schools of fish and other prey. Dolphins possess an incredible sense called electroreception. They can detect the electrical impulses emitted by prey animals, such as fish, helping them locate hidden prey even in murky waters. It's like having a built-in radar system. In some cases, dolphins work together in coordinated groups, forming a strategy to corral a school of fish. They may swim in a circular formation, herding the fish into a concentrated area for easier hunting. Some species of dolphins use a fascinating technique called bubble net feeding. They blow a ring of bubbles around a school of fish, creating a barrier that forces the fish to cluster together. The dolphins then swim through the center of the bubble net, taking advantage of the concentrated prey. Dolphins are known to use their powerful tails to create shock waves in the water. This can stun or disorient small fish, making them easier to catch. Once the prey is located and corralled, dolphins can reach remarkable speeds to chase and catch individual fish. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails make them agile and efficient hunters. Young dolphins often learn hunting techniques through play. They mimic the actions of older dolphins, honing their skills in a safe and engaging environment. This intricate combination of intelligence, teamwork, and specialized hunting methods allows dolphins to thrive in their marine environment and ensures a successful catch of delicious, nutritious meals. It's a testament to the remarkable adaptability and ingenuity of these incredible marine creatures. Dolphins are playful creatures and engage in a variety of games, such as playing with seaweed, riding waves, and even playing catch with each other. This playful behavior not only provides entertainment, but also helps them develop essential skills for hunting and socializing. Dolphins are not only cute, but also incredibly smart. They love performing various tricks in the water, sometimes even playing with humans. Scientists have discovered that dolphins have advanced brains and high intelligence. Some can even solve simple problems. Truly, they are clever little angels. Dolphins are known for their intelligence and ability to learn. What's even more fascinating is that they continue learning throughout their entire lives. They adapt to new situations, learn from experiences, and even teach other dolphins in their social groups. Their memory is also amazing. They can remember other dolphins they've encountered, as well as specific locations and hunting grounds. This impressive memory helps them navigate their vast ocean environments. Dolphins are natural performers and are known for their acrobatic displays. They love leaping out of the water, somersaulting, and riding the bow waves created by boats. These displays aren't just for fun. They also serve as a way for dolphins to communicate and express excitement. Did you know that dolphins are true swimming champions? Dolphins are among the fastest swimmers in the ocean. They can navigate through the water at astonishing speeds, reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Their streamlined bodies, powerful tails, and exceptional swimming skills make them masters of the open seas. Have you heard of the peculiar dolphin sleep style? Dolphins sleep in a fascinating way, known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. This means that only one hemisphere of their brain sleeps at a time, allowing them to remain alert and aware of their surroundings. It's like they take naps while staying partially awake. Now, let's get acquainted with some different species of dolphins. Some have spots all over, others resemble little tigers with stripes, and there are even some jet-propelled dolphins that make fascinating sounds. They come in various shapes and sizes, creating a truly diverse marine world. Certain dolphin species are capable of diving to incredible depths. The short-beaked common dolphin, for instance, can dive as deep as 600 feet. These deep dives remain somewhat mysterious, and scientists continue to study the reasons behind these impressive feats. Dolphins have relatively long lifespans compared to many other marine species. Depending on the species, dolphins can live anywhere from 20 to 60 years. Their longevity allows them to contribute significantly to the dynamics of marine ecosystems. Different groups of dolphins exhibit unique behaviors and even have distinct cultures. These cultural differences can include variations in hunting techniques, communication styles, and social interactions. It's like each group has its own traditions and ways of life. Dolphins in different regions have their own unique dialects and vocalizations. Just like human languages, these dialects help dolphins communicate effectively within their specific communities, showcasing the richness of their social interactions. Have you ever heard about the fascinating interactions between dolphins and humans? Some dolphins enjoy playing with boats, and some even get close to scuba divers. Dolphins are highly social animals and form intricate social networks. They establish strong bonds with family members and other members of their pod, fostering a sense of community. These social connections are vital for their survival and well-being. There have been instances where dolphins have displayed a seemingly therapeutic effect on humans. Interaction with dolphins during programs like dolphin-assisted therapy has been reported to have positive impacts on individuals with various physical and psychological challenges. Lastly, let's remember to protect our dolphin friends and their homes, the ocean. Dolphins play a crucial role in marine ecosystems by helping to control fish populations and contributing to the overall balance of the ocean. By learning more about dolphins, we can better understand the importance of conserving their habitats and ensuring the well-being of these remarkable creatures. Together, we'll learn how to care for the environment, avoid littering, and keep the oceans clean, allowing dolphins and other marine creatures to live happily and healthily in their beautiful homes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, young adventurers.